Hello children, welcome to Quick Learn with Vijisha. Thanks for showing all your support to my channel. Today we will see class 6 practice set 17. Already we have done with practice set 15 and 16. Do check for that video also. Before going into the worksheet, don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. So let's get into the worksheet. Question is given as carry out the following divisions. Now we have to do the division of decimal numbers. So let's see how to do this in simple manner. First question is 4.8 divided by 2. Now let's see how to do this. In division form we write it in this way. Fine students. Now we will see how to divide this. We need to do the normal division only but with a decimal number. So we'll see how to do this. We have written it in the decimal form. Now 2 for 4 comes as 2 2s will give you the answer as 4. Understanding children, we have learned how to do divisions. Same way we have to do for decimal numbers also. 4 minus 4 will give you the answer as 0. Now next coming here is decimal. So don't forget to put a decimal in your question. Then carry down the next number, it is 8. Now 2's table 4. 2's table 8 comes at which place? 2 4s are 8. So your answer for this question is 2.4. So we have got a decimal number in our answer. Understanding students? Let's see the second question. 17.5 divided by 5. Now we will write it in the decimal form. 17.5 divided by 5. 5's table 1 doesn't go. So we will take two numbers in the starting. So 5 3s will give you the answer as 15. Remainder is 2. Understanding? Now before carrying down this 5, we will put a decimal because here decimal is there in the question. And the 5 5s will give you the answer as 25. Now your division is completed. So for 17.5 divided by 5, your answer is 3.5. I hope you are understanding the question, students. Let's see the third question. 20.6 divided by 2. Now for 2 we have to do 2 1s will give you the value as 2. 0. We'll take the next number, it is already 0. We will put a 0 here. No need to do the division down. You can also do it. So you can do it in this way. Before carry down this 6, you will put a decimal. 6, 2, 3s will give you the value as 6. So your remainder is 0. So the answer for this question is 10.3. Same way you can do the fourth question also. Now we will see the word problems. Question is given as a road is 4 km 800 meter long. So we will write as 4 km 800 meter long it is. If trees are planted on both its sides, don't forget the both word in this question, at an interval of 9.6 meter, how many trees were planted? So let's see how to do this. Before that, don't forget to like the video and share with your friends also. So let's get into this question. 4 kilometers 800 meters means the value will be 4 kilometer and 800. So your value will be 4800 meter. Understanding children? And you have to do the division for these questions with 9.6. So we will write 4800 divided by 9.6. Now there is a tricky thing in this. There should be no decimal in denominator. So this is your denominator, it has a decimal. So we will convert that number by multiplying it with 10 because after decimal only one digit is there. So with 10 we will multiply. If it has two digits, so we will multiply it with 100. Understanding children? In the previous videos we have learned of these topics. Do check for that video also. Now let's see how to do this. Here also we will multiply with 10. So the value you will get at 4800 multiplied by 10 will give you as 48,000, and 9.6 multiplied by 10, no need to multiply it separately, it will give you the answer as 96. The decimal will get removed. Understanding, children? Now 48,000 is to be divided by 96. So the value you will get as, you have to do the normal division. The value you will get as 500. 500 trees is been given in the question. Understanding, children? Now we have to do this both also. On both the sides of the road the trees are being planted. That means 500 will be multiplied by 2. Understanding, children? 500 multiplied by 2 will give you the answer as 1000 trees is to be planted on both the sides. I hope you are understanding this question. If you have any doubt, you can write me in the comment box. Now let's see the second question. Pradnya exercises regularly by walking along a circular path on a field. Yes, if she walks a distance of 3.825 kilometer. Now we will write the values whatever is there in the question. 3.825 kilometer in 9 rounds. How much rounds she has completed? 9 rounds. How much does she walk in 1 round? In 1 round it has been asked, so we will write 1. If ever the value to find for one thing is been asked, that time you have to do the division. Understanding, children? So let's divide this question. 3.825 divided by 9. 9 stable, 3 doesn't go. 9 zeros are 0. So 3 is a remainder. Before carrying down this 8, there is a decimal. So we will put a decimal in our question. The nearest number for 38 is 9 fours are 36. Understanding, children? Remainder is 2. Next number is 2. So it comes as 9 twos are 18. 22 minus 18 will give you the answer as 4, and next number is 5. So 9 fives will give you the answer as 45. So remainder is 0. So 0.425 kilometer she takes in 1 round. I hope you are understanding the question, student. Let's see the last question in this exercise. A pharmaceutical manufacturer bought 0.25 quintal of Hirada, a medicinal plant, for 9,500 rupees. What is the cost per quintal of Hirada? So whatever the values are given, 0.25 quintal is given for how 1,500 rupees. Fine. What is the cost per quintal? Per means a single value. So what we will be doing? We will be doing the division for this question. So cost is being asked. So the cost value has to be written up. That is 9,500 should be up and 0.25 in the denominator. Understanding, children? Now in the denominator there should be no decimal. So we will convert this. How we will convert this? We will put an 100 because after decimal 2 numbers are there. So we will put an 100 to both numerator and denominator. Understanding, children? Now it will give you the value as 9,500 and this 2 zeros. So it will become 9,50,000, and 0.25 multiplying by 100 will give you the answer only 25. The decimals will get removed. Now we have to divide 9,50,000 with 25. So the value you will get as 38,000 per quintal rupees. Understanding, children? So this way practice set 17 is been solved. I hope you have understood all the questions in this practice set. Don't forget to watch the previous videos also to clear the concept of decimal fractions. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you, students.